How to add payment method on Klarna. So basically, if you'd like to add a payment method to Klarna account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Klarna application. Once you launch the Klarna app, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see right here. Now from here, basically what you have to do is you can just come to the me icon from the bottom right, which is the U button right here. Once you come here, you'll come to this page where you can tap on the settings icon or the gear icon, which is located at the top right hand corner of the screen. After you've done that, if you scroll under the shopping option, you'll find an option called payment methods, where if you select it, you'll be taken to the next page where you can add payment methods such as PayPal, credit or debit card, or other payment options that you have available. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then add payment method on Klarna. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.